The installation guide for Neat. So first thing you want to do is go to our GitHub repository and there's two main components, the Neat backend and the Neat web app. So if you go to each folder, you can see the instructions. First thing you want to install if you're in a Mac is Homebrew. And then let's talk about the front end prerequisites. You're gonna need all the React Native stuff. So you could go to the React Native website and it says here to install Node and Watchman. And then once you install Node, you're gonna get npm. With that, you could install the React Native CLI. And you're gonna need Xcode. Now, as far as the backend, you could go to that folder. You'll see that it tells you that you need Python 3 and pip. So you could install that with Homebrew as well. So now let's clone the actual Git folder. You could grab the address, go to your terminal in whatever folder you want, and clone it. Takes a little bit to download. Alright, now we could go into the folder. And let's start with the backend. Let's look at the instructions. Installation. So you need Python 3 installed, as I said. Once you install that, you'll be able to use this command, pyvemb. This creates a virtual environment to install all dependencies. And there it is created. Now you run this command to actually activate the virtual environment. So you can see your terminal changed to vemb. That means you're in the virtual environment. And here's where you install all the dependencies for the backend with this command. We have a problem. Oh, never mind. Okay. Right, check this command. Your requirement file might just be in the folder. So this is the actual command that you need. And there it's installing all the dependencies for the backend inside the virtual environment. The good thing about this is that it's not actually been installed on your computer. You can just delete that folder after. Right, so all the requirements have been installed. And if you want to run the backend, just do this command. As you can see, it says that the backend is running, and you can visit the address to make sure. And there's the API. Now let's move on to the front end. Go up a folder, go into the Neat mobile app folder. Let's follow the instructions. Once you have all the prerequisites installed from React Native, all you need to run is npm install. Okay, all the npm requirements have been installed. After that, you're free to run the front-end app, and here's the command for it. React Native run iOS.